Okay, we're doing a problem here. It's from Math 182. It's section 7.1, number 8 from online homework. This is specific to a student problem, so your version might be a little different than this, might not. It's also like number 31 in the textbook. So it says consider f of x equals x times x squared minus 10x plus 30. Then I went a step further and said, well, equals x cubed minus 10x squared plus 30x, and g of x equals x squared. So A, use a graphing utility to graph the region bounded by the graphs of these equations. So I used Desmos. I'll recreate the graph here. I'm going to exaggerate things a little bit just so you can see what I'm trying to get at. So our parabola looks like that. That's parabola. And the other part's a cubic. It comes up here through 0, 0, comes down like this, crosses, and then it crosses again. So it crosses actually 3 times. Down here, that's at 0, 0. Right here, that's at 5, 25. And right here, that's at 6, 36. And so it's easy to do this, see this part here. It's easy also to, very easy to miss this part right here. I shouldn't say it's easy to do this. Easy. You see that this is a region, but it's easy to miss this region over here. So what you really have then, now think about the cubic is on top for this part, for the big or open area. So that's going to be the integral from 0 to 5 of x cubed minus 10x squared plus 30x minus the x squared, the curve down below. That's our x squared down below. Plus integral from 5 to 6 of the upper curve. The upper curve in this part is going to be x squared minus the x cubed minus 10x squared plus 30x dx. So if I do a little bit of simplification, 0 to 5 of x cubed minus 11x squared plus 30x dx plus integral from 5 to 6 of negative x cubed plus 11x squared minus 30x dx. And we integrate this. We have x to the 4th over 4 minus 11x cubed over 3 plus 15x squared. It'd be a 30x squared over 2. That reduces to 15x squared. That's going to go from 0 to 5. Plus negative x to the 4th over 4 plus 11x cubed over 3 minus 15x squared. Again, that would have been 30x squared over 2. That reduces, though. And that's going to go from 5 to 6. So what we end up with is, we plug in the 5, 625 over 4 minus 1375 over 3 plus 375 minus 0. If you plug in 0 for that, you're going to get 0. Plus, over here, I have negative 324 plus 792 minus 540, and then minus negative 6, I'm plugging in the 5 now, 625 over 4, and then minus 1375 over 3, and then minus a negative 375. So when you work all that out, you end up with a 443 over 6. And when you plug this in the calculator to do the whole thing, you get approximately 73.8333. It repeats, so they go to 4 places, and that's it.